Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Ayurvedic infused hair butter. If it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Let's get started. I have my aloe vera. I got this from my garden, and after peeling it and blending it, I measured out 15 grams from it, 40 grams of shea butter, 10 grams of my cocoa butter, and 30 grams of coconut oil, and I added 15 grams of olive oil as well to this. And for my powders, I have Fenugreek powder, Brahmi powder, and Bhringraj. When it comes to Ayurvedic herbs, these powders are top on the list, and that's why I chose it for this tutorial. And I measured out half teaspoon each, and after that I blend together. And without the aloe vera, you can use this without preservative, but being that I added aloe vera to it, a fresh aloe vera, then you need preservative. For this one I put it in my fridge, and that's how I preserve it. So after blending it together and combining it, and your hair butter is ready. As a moisturizer with the aloe vera, it makes it help in detangling your hair. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, and comment if you have any question or concern. See you next time. Bye.